Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to allow unknown sources on the Vivo Y200. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on apps. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on special app access. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on install unknown apps. Now from here, just enable the app from where you want to install unknown apps. For example, if you want to install unknown apps or APKs from your web browser, just enable the toggle from here, just like that. And this is how you can allow unknown sources on the Vivo Y200. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.